Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about conditional probability. We are going to learn about its definition, formula, its concept, and we'll solve a question with it. So let's begin with our topic. So very first question arises in our topic is what is conditional probability? So it is finding probability of event A given that event B has already occurred. So here there are two events that take place. Event A, which is a favorable event and whose probability we have to address, and event B, which has already been occurred and given in the question. So let's address the mathematical formula for conditional probability. So the mathematical formula for conditional probability is probability of event A given that event B has already been occurred is equal to probability of A intersect B upon probability of B. Before we move further, I would like to add some key points. So, under the conditional probability, whenever you are finding the probability of A, you should always remember that event B is already been occurred, and based on this info, you are required to find A's probability. The second thing you should always remember is in conditional probability, whenever you take probability of an event in denominator, it is the probability of event that has already been occurred or it is a condition that was given in the question. I hope you will remember this key point and already noted the formula in your respective copies. So let's move further and solve some question of conditional probability. As you guys can see, the question is already been flashing in your screen. I'll give you 5 seconds, or you can pause the video and note it down in your copies first so that we can begin with a solution. So our very first question is, a family has two children. What is the probability that both children are boys given that at least one of them is a boy? So let's begin. Always remember while doing question that sometimes the questions are complicated but the answers are very simple. Right now you are seeing the solution of the previous question. So let's begin with the solution. Here NS represent the sample space, which is both are boys, one girl, one boy, both are girl, and one boy, one girl. And A is both are boys, which is a favorable event and whose probability we have to find. And the B, which is the condition or the event that is already been occurred, is at least one boy. So with this information we can find the probability of A intersect B, which would be both are boys, because we already have given condition that one is boy. Addition to this, we need to find the probability that other one is also a boy. So there is only one element that can satisfy our requirement in sample space. Therefore the probability of it is 1 by 4. Now for finding probability of event B, we are required to access the condition one more. So according to the question, condition is one boy and there are three elements in the sample space that was fulfilling the requirement. Therefore probability of event B would be probability of first element satisfying condition plus probability of second element satisfying condition and last probability of the third element the satisfying condition. By adding these all, we will get 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, which is equal to 3 upon 4. This is the probability of event B. Now by putting the formula that we have already seen, we can find out probability of A given that B has already occurred. So first let's recall the formula. So the formula was probability of A given that B has already been occurred is equal to probability of A intersect B upon probability of B. Now that we have both the element probability of A intersect B and probability of B, we can put these in the formula and can find the answer. So the answer will be 1 by 4 upon 3 by 4. which can be further solved into 1 by 3. Hence, this is our answer. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it and it helps you in your studies. Once again, thank you.